Color footprint.
Hi ocean adventurers! Welcome back to Color Footprint. This time we're going to the magical underwater world. Get ready, we're going on an exciting adventure to get to know one of the ocean's most unique and coolest inhabitants, hammerhead sharks. Hammerhead shark, the champion with the magic head. I'm sure you know that sharks are scary animals with sharp teeth, right? But this shark is different. He has a head that looks like a carpenter's hammer. How is that possible? Let's find out. Hammerhead, not just for style. Imagine, a hammerhead shark's head is wide and flat like an airplane wing. Well, at the ends of the hammerhead are its eyes. The cool thing about this eye is that it allows the hammerhead shark to see almost 360 degrees. It can look forward, sideways, and even slightly backwards, all at the same time. It's like having eyes in the back of your head, so it's really good at finding prey and knowing when danger is coming. It also has a special sensor on its hammerhead that can sense small electricity from other animals hiding in the sand. It's like having a treasure detector, but for finding invisible prey. So, if there's a stingray hiding at the bottom of the sea, this hammerhead shark can just sweep it with its head and you'll see it. That's why it's called the super underwater detective. Its wide head also makes it a great swimmer. He can turn very quickly and agilely, like an acrobat in the water. Hammerhead shark's favorite foods. Don't be surprised, the hammerhead shark is an avid eater. There are so many favorite foods. Fish, of course, fish is the main course. It likes to eat small fishes to quite big ones, such as sardines, mackerel, and even puffer fish too. Stingray, this is a favorite. The hammerhead shark is very good at finding stingrays that like to hide in the sand. Sometimes, he uses his head to pin the stingray to the seabed before he eats. Wow, how clever! Squid and crab, he also likes to snack on nimble squids and crabs that have hard shells. They usually hunt when the sun is just rising or when the sun is about to set. At these times, it is easier for them to find prey that is off guard. Hammerhead sharks like to live in warm waters around the world. So, if you go to a beach in Indonesia, you might meet them near shore. Many young hammerhead sharks like to play in shallow waters near the shore, such as bays or coral reefs. There, they can find food easily and are safer from other large sharks. But, as adults, they also like to venture into the deeper sea. Some can dive almost 1 kilometer down. Wow, hammerhead sharks are also very good at swimming long distances. They like to travel, or rather, swim, thousands of kilometers in search of new food or warmer places. Sometimes, they gather up to thousands of them in one place. How exciting is it to see thousands of hammerhead sharks gathered like a big party under the sea? Hammerhead shark, having babies, not eggs. Here's what makes hammerhead sharks different from many other fish. Hammerheads give birth to babies alive. So, they don't lay eggs like chickens or other fish. Baby hammerhead sharks grow and develop in their mother's belly, just like humans. They are fed and oxygenated through the umbilical cord, just like us when we are still in our mother's belly. Mothers carry their babies for quite a long time, up to a year or more. Wow, how patient! This hammerhead shark has a few more surprises in store. Curious? Let's continue. Sleep while swimming never really stops. Can you imagine sleeping while walking or running? Of course not, right? Well, this hammerhead shark has a unique way of sleeping. Most sharks, including hammerheads, never really stop swimming, even when they are sleeping or resting. Unique breathing, they breathe in a way called ram ventilation. This means that they have to keep swimming in order for water to enter their mouths and flow past their gills. The gills are the shark's breathing apparatus, just like our lungs. If they stop swimming, the water won't flow and they could be deprived of oxygen. Resting in the current, so, when they want to rest, they will look for areas with strong currents. They simply stay in place and let the current push the water into their mouths and over their gills. It's like sleeping while sitting in a vibrating massage chair. So, even though they look like they are swimming slowly, they are actually resting. Unique, right? Wow, how unique are these hammerhead sharks? Not only do they have weird and cool heads, but they also have amazing lifestyles and abilities. Hopefully, this story has made you even more amazed and curious about the magical creatures in our oceans. Remember, we must protect the ocean so that hammerhead sharks and other marine friends can continue to live happily. Thanks for listening. Subscribe, share, like Color Footprint channel. Bye.